Hello, Thunder. This is Ida, the artificial intelligence of your suit. This is my new voice. Your first mission is to reach your wife, Angelina, in the Omega Project. We're going to have some problems ahead, because the Haunters have taken over the scientific base. You have permission to kill. Go in the direction I point you, and never forget to scout the area. Pick up the weapons and ammunition near Miss Eagle through the ship's shed, and pick up your pistol in front of you by pressing the button that appears on the screen spinning when you get close. I'm with you always. I'll help you with the objectives. Now go, Legend, and put on your show.
Turn to run, now look what it's become. Outnumber 10 to 1. Back then should've bit your tongue, cause there's no turning back. This path once it's begun, you're already on that list. Say you don't want what you can't resist. Waving that sword when the pen won't miss. Watch it all fall in a spot like this.
This is what you asked for. Heavy is the crowd. Fire in the sunrise. Ashes raining down. Try to hold it in, but it keeps bleeding out. This is what you asked for. Heavy is the crowd.
Today's gonna be the day you notice, 'cause I'm tired of explaining what the truth is.
This is what you asked for. This is what you asked for. Heavy is the crowd. Fire in the sunrise. Ashes raining down. Try to hold it in, but it keeps bleeding out. This is what you asked for. Heavy is the crowd. Heavy is the crowd. Heavy is the crowd.
Your blades are sharpened with precision, flashing your favorite point of view. I know you're waiting in the distance, just like you always do, just like you always do. Already pulling me in, already under my skin, and I know exactly how this ends. I let you cut me open just to watch me bleed. Gave up who I am for who you wanted me to be. Don't know why I'm hoping for what I won't receive. Falling for the promise of the emptiness machine. The emptiness machine.